Hello and good day to you all students. You are welcome to Operation 4.0 GPA online tutorials. As we all know that the COVID-19 has done a lot of harm to us as students, everything has been shut down and a whole mess. Schools are enrolling students online. And so as students, but we thought it wise to help our fellow colleagues. As you can see, this purely tutorials for you economic students out there. We are going to help you with your online studies. Now, what we would like you to do is to subscribe down there so you can get notifications and updates from us. And also, we'd like you to share this link with your colleagues so that they can also subscribe and join in for the teachings. We are going to teach your course outlines in depth. So you're going to have your questions and your everything answered. You don't need to worry about the online tutorials as long as you are with this link. So for now, just subscribe to it, share it for others to also subscribe, and also enjoy this good news that we have for you with the online tutorials. For further clarifications and other details, you can WhatsApp or call this number 0540446610. So you don't need to fear at all. Don't panic. We are going to help you economic students. Good day to you. See you.